became involved with the RNLI because I've always enjoyed swimming. I was taught to swim off the coast of Anglesey by my dad when I was, 4, 5, 6. And I've always enjoyed swimming in the sea. And for years and years, I was very scared to go out beyond my depth. But latterly, I've done some really big sea swimming. And it's been that's made me aware of how unpredictable water is and how many safety measures need to be taken. I think most people would be surprised to know that the RNLI is not funded by any government monies at all. 97% of the people involved with the RNLI are volunteers. This is an organisation that's funded by voluntary contributions from the public. The RNLI partnering with Omaze is a wonderful opportunity to raise funds through this brilliant prize draw. So I'm really hoping that because Omaze is such a huge prize draw that so many people want to enter, that not only will some funds be raised, but also awareness. This house is absolutely fantastic. It's incredibly beautiful. You get this wonderful view out to sea, and that's a very soothing, calming, beautiful, tranquil, serene place to look. And you've also got a house got every kind of facility. It's got a fantastic swimming pool. It's got an incredible gym. It's the sort of place that if you came to live here, I think all your dreams would come true. Don't miss out. Enter the Omaze £1 million house draw now at omaze.co.uk.